Hello, it's Tuesday morning.
Got out the tractor and I'm going to put the Massey Ferguson tractor onto the tedder, so yeah. I'm going getting the combine out so I can go and harvest one of our wheat field now. Parking, well, we're just reversed into the crop because it's the only way to put the header on without parking in the road or in the other field, so yeah, now harvesting our wheat field. Done the first load and now I'm loading it into the trailer. Back at the farm with the first load, now moving the tractor out of the way so we can unload the wheat into the shed. At the field we harvested a few days ago, and we're tedding out the straw because over the weekend we had a bit of rain, so yeah. Going back to the farm, now parking up the tedder for the night, and then parking up the tractor. Now harvesting more of our wheat field. Got another load of wheat and I'm going back to the farm. And now harvesting more of our wheat field. And loading the wheat into the trailer to take it back to the farm. Now harvesting more of our wheat field. And now unloading it into the trailer. I'm back at the farm with a trailer load of wheat and I'm loading it into the shed. Now harvesting more of our wheat field. Now unloading the last load of the wheat field. We've finished the wheat field now, so yeah. Going back to the farm with the last load of wheat. Now putting the header back on the header trailer to take the combine back to the farm for the night. Now going back for the night. Back at the farm and now parking up the tractors for the night. And now we're going to park up the combine for the night. And now we're going to park up the header for the night.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.